Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the camera battery is fully charged, because interruptions corrupt firmware. Once done, format a spare SD card and copy your photos to a safe folder on your computer. Make sure you have the camera model A7s3 firmware file, rename it exactly if required. Connect the camera via USB-C or use the card slot. Choose the method recommended in the firmware notes. Now power off the camera and insert the prepared SD card, ready to start the installer. You power the camera on and enter the update sequence. Pay attention because prompts differ by region. Start the installer from the SD card or run the PC updater. Either way, initiate the transfer and watch the progress bar. Keep the camera awake and avoid touching cables. Interruptions are the main cause of bricked units. The process unpacks files, uploads binaries, and then the camera will reboot twice sometimes. Once the progress reaches 100%, allow the device to stabilize before any user actions. You finish by checking the firmware version in the setup menu to confirm success. This is how you know the update applied. If the manual recommends it, perform a settings reset to clear legacy configurations and then restore your custom settings from backup. Test autofocus, shutter response, and stabilization to ensure normal operation. If anything went wrong, camera fails to boot or shows errors, retry the process with a freshly formatted card, or use the official recovery tool. Contacting support is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.